Israel faced accusations at the World Court on Monday of breaking international law by refusing to let aid into Gaza. Since March the 2nd, Israel has completely cut off all supplies to the 2.3 million residents of the Gaza Strip, where food stockpiled during a ceasefire at the start of the year has all but run out. Opening the hearings at the International Court of Justice, the United Nations Legal Counsel Eleanor Hammarskjöld listed Israel's obligations under international humanitarian law as the occupying power in Gaza,
including those set up by United Nations entities.
While Palestinian Representative Ahmad Hijazi accused Israel of using aid as a weapon of war.
It is about Israel unraveling fundamental principles of international law, including their obligations under the UN Charter. It is about Israel turning Palestine, in particularly Gaza, into a mass grave for Palestinians and those coming to their aid.
Israeli Foreign Minister Gideon Saar told reporters in Jerusalem his country had submitted its position in writing to the hearings, saying it would not take part in what he called a circus.
It is another attempt to politicize and abuse the legal process in order to persecute Israel.
Israel has said it would not allow the entry of supplies into Gaza until Hamas releases all remaining hostages. It has accused Hamas of hijacking humanitarian aid, which the militant group denies. The UN's top court was tasked in December to form an advisory opinion on Israel's obligations to facilitate aid to Palestinians. Dozens of countries will take part in the hearings over the coming week. William Worcester, who teaches international law at the Hague University of Applied Sciences, said the court's decision will have an immediate impact on Israel's actions in Gaza.
The larger implications, though, is that we will know better, do states, when they occupy another territory outside, do they have to let the UN in? Do they have to let aid in? And that will have very profound implications for how states interact into the future. Think about states that are currently occupying other territory. Think about states that may wish to occupy other states' territory.
After the hearings, the court will likely take several months to form its opinion. However, while the opinion carries legal and political weight, it is not binding, and the court has no enforcement powers.